Hey everybody, how is your day? I hope you are all doing well. So in this video, we will see variable arguments and keyword arguments. These type of arguments are useful when you don't know how many you will receive. It is supported for both keyword arguments and regular arguments. First of all, let's see about variable arguments. So let's define family members function and we will receive the star arguments. So this function can take 0 or more arguments. So when we receive the arguments, we should look at with for loop in us and print the name out. We can call the family members and pass the arguments like mama, and dodo. When you're ready, we will get mama and dodo. It can also be called with no arguments at all, which make it more flexible. Members, just empty bracket. Okay, ready? Okay. So there is no need to be called this arguments name with star out or star a, although it is command. Let's see, let's just copy it. We can also use other names like names. Then we should change like names. And we should pass this time like, since I'm a DC fan, let's say Superman and Batman. So we got Superman, Batman. Variable keyword arguments are arguments that are mapped to a value, key and value like a dictionary. The premise of this, how this works, is the same as variable arguments, and the syntax is slightly different. So let's define stats function with star key rule as KW as my keyword arguments, okay? So this function takes 0 or more keyword arguments. So KW is now a dictionary. So we should do away for key value and KW dot items. Print key value. Let's say speed is slow. Active is false. Weight is 170. So speed slow, active false, weight 170. Because keyword arguments is a variable, it means we can also pass 0 items. Let's say that's just empty bracket, and we should put it into the result. And let's print it out with the string. Result is and result. So result is none. So there you go. That's how we work with variable arguments and keyword arguments. I hope you enjoy it. So see you in next video. So bye bye.